Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So then after making sure that you've got the connection, simply enter the Play Store. If you are signed in, if you are logged in, simply tap on the circle. If not, just enter all your account details and tap on the circle, which is simply your account. Now we have to enter Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are installed on this device, and if we want to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 38 updates pending, and all you have to do right now in order to update the app is to simply find it in this list. So let me update, for example, Google Maps, mark it here, and of course you can mark as many apps as you want to. You can mark all of them actually and update them. So I will pick also Google one, and all you have to do right now is to simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, both Google Maps and Google One are right now will be downloaded, and after that both of them will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually you do not need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.